Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Adventure of the Seas. Now this particular category is an interior stateroom. It's the lead-in category on the ship. Let me show you what it's all about. Right on the back of the door, you're going to have a do not disturb, please make up room magnet. You just put that right on outside and you can communicate with your cabin steward. You've got the breakfast menu for room service right here. So if you want to have it delivered at a certain time, maybe you're heading out for an excursion or you just want to be woken up at that time as well, you can have them do that by putting it outside the night before. Just in here, you're going to find your closet storage. You've got hanging storage up above, storage up and down here. These pop down for a little more hanging storage as well. And if you're tall like me, a little bit of storage up above. Now directly across, you're going to find the bathroom. Now the bathroom is actually identical to the ones in the balconies and below throughout the entire ship. So I do love that they have this in the shower, not a shower curtain. Believe it or not, I'm 6'6" and I do fit in here. This shower wand goes up and down, and you have the soap dispenser right here. They've replaced all of the single-use plastics everywhere that they can, so they fill that up for you as you go. Now in the bathroom itself, you got the toilet tucked around the corner. You have storage right here. This opens up. You've got 3 shelves. You've got a little bit of storage underneath and the sink. Now as we head into the main part of the room, you're going to have a small writing desk that doubles as a vanity. You've got a large mirror right here. These do open up, so you have storage on either side. You've got a Euro plug and 2 US plugs. I always bring an extra Euro converter so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the room. You've got your hair dryer in the top drawer, drawers up and down for storage, mini fridge underneath, storage up above here, and you have your safe that's not quite big enough for a laptop, but perfect for passports, wallets, and things like that. You've got your flat panel TV that does turn to angle, so you can watch it in bed if you would like. And then here you can see you have a small love seat. Now this particular category can come in double or quad occupancy. This particular room is double occupancy, but if it was quad, there'd be 2 Pullman beds that come down from the ceiling. They'll make those up each and every day for you because you're always gonna get turn down service in the evening and makeup service in the morning. Now right here, this is together as a Royal King. It does separate out, so it can be 2 twin beds as well. Those 2 nightstands would push together in the middle, give you a little bit of separation. Now keep in mind, if you have 4 people, we have booked it that way before, where you might have 2 up above and 2 down below. You got your phone on the nightstand and 2 reading lamps as well. The one thing I did want to point out is that there are no plugs over there, so I always bring an extra battery backup. I'll charge it during the day, and that way I can use it to charge my phone at night. Underneath, you have storage like with all of the beds here on board. You can put your luggage away right underneath. Now, when you're ready to book your next suite on board Royal Caribbean, Silver Sea, or Celebrity Cruises, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with these brands, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.